Ready to go to the beach?
Hey guys, so we just left the beach. We brought Moose to get some playtime in. He met a bunch of pups, and now we're headed up to LA to pick up our RV for our cross-country road trip. We are so excited. But first, we are gonna stop at Camino Books up in Del Mar to sign my cookbooks. Yay! Is that it? I did them. Okay, cool. Woo woo. I also hide.
Don't let her do that.
So now we're gonna go get the RV. This is a lifesaver. White cheddar cheese. I mean, ah!
Hell yeah, look at
Road
this thing.
bear.
So nice. All right, let's check it out.
Oh my gosh, it's happening. Wow. Oh my God, it's so nice. Ah, it's ours.
For 3 months.
For 3 months.
We're gonna turn this right here into Moose's bed.
Woo! See ya. I see Hunter.
All right, buddy. You wanna check out the new RV? Gonna be your home for a couple months. Go ahead, check it out. Oh yeah. What do you think? Is this Moose approved? What's his bed feel like? Yeah, get on up there.
All right, so let's do a little tour. We've got our beautiful kitchen. Look at this stove. We're gonna be doing a lot of cooking here. Pots and pans and plates and mugs, silverware. So we're all hooked up. We've got a microwave too. Big refrigerator. So much space. Honestly, I can't believe how big that is. And then a freezer, which I will be freezing some pasta in there later. All right, let's go to the dining area. So this converts to another bed, and we'll definitely be putting Moose's bed here. Lots of nice storage. We got our closet for our hanging clothes.
For all my dresses.
And then more storage space for clothes. This big queen bed, which is amazing. Going into the bathroom, we have this mirror, sink, under the sink storage. And then look at this big bathroom, toilet. We got this nice shower so you can get some fresh and so clean while we're on the road. And then there's more space above the drivers. What's that called? And then there's some overhead space for more bed or storage. And then look at that big TV. Once we hit the road, we will show you a full tour of this beautiful RV and follow along to see where we're headed.